In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color of page. This is a quick way to give your Google Docs document a fresh look, add emphasis to a section, or make a handout easier to read on screen. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what each option means, and a few tips to help you pick the right color without affecting readability. First, look to the very top left of your document window for the main menu bar. Click File, then choose Page Setup from the dropdown. This opens a small settings window that controls things like page size, orientation, margins, and the color of the page itself. If you don't see the File menu right away, make sure your document window is maximized so the full menu bar is visible. Inside the Page Setup window, find the section labeled Page Color. This is where you control the background color behind all your text. When you click the color box, you'll see a palette of preset colors. Hovering over a color will preview its name, and clicking one will select it. There's also a custom option where you can fine-tune the exact shade using a color slider or by entering a specific value, which is helpful if you're matching a brand color. As you choose, keep readability in mind. Lighter, softer tones like pale gray, cream, or pastel shades tend to work best for long reading sessions, while very dark or very bright colors can make text harder to see unless you also adjust text color. Also note that page color changes the entire page background, not just a single paragraph or word. It's different from text highlight. Once you've picked a color you like, click OK at the bottom of the Page Setup window. Your document will update immediately, and the change applies to every page in this file. If the color feels too strong or doesn't provide enough contrast with your text, you can open File and Page Setup again and try a different shade until it looks right. This process is quick, so don't hesitate to experiment to find the most comfortable background for your content. A quick recap. Open File, select Page Setup, choose your page color, and click OK. Keep in mind that a colored background can use more ink if you plan to print, so for printed documents, a very light tint or the default white is usually best. That's all there is to it. Simple, effective, and done in a few clicks.